Hi, this is Evan here from the Latinum Institute, latinum.org.uk, and in this lesson, we're going to look at the letter P. We start off with, as every lesson I teach you, we start off with an I, which is the base letter, the first letter that we learned. The letter P is related to the letter N, which we learned previously. So here's our N, and before we do the P, I want you to draw a few N's, and you'll see why in a moment. So make a few N's. The letter P is essentially an N that has a long first line. That's it, nothing complicated. So light up, dark down, up and away. There's also another variation of the P, which is combined with a, remember we did a letter T, you have the stroke that goes up quite high and then comes down on itself. So we make use of that stroke, this part here, as the first part of our letter. So we go up quite high, we come down on the same line, we come up again, and then we make our N, like that. This is the P that I prefer. It looks more elegant. So we come up, we come down, up on the same line, and then make our N here, giving us a P which has got a little flag thing sticking up at the front. I think it's much nicer than that P. So this one, as I said, is formed of a T stroke, which we go down, and then the N. And this one is just an N with a long first stroke. So it just depends on which form you want. Right, this is a long T stroke coming down, and then we come up again on the same line. I'll change colour so you can see what I'm doing. Come up again on the same line. I'm slightly off it here so you can see what I'm doing, and then we make our, so it's formed of two strokes. P, I. P, I, P. P, G. P, A. And so on. You can make various combinations. Every lesson I teach you, I do urge you to do your exercises, which is the zigzag exercise: light up, dark down, light up, dark down, light up, dark down. And your long S exercise, the old-fashioned long S, which used to be found in the middle of words, but not at the end of words, and at the beginning of words, of course. And parallel lines sloping forwards, the same slope, and as much as possible the same distance apart. You need to draw hundreds, if not thousands, of these lines. I'm using a Wacom graphics tablet, which I've only owned for a week, so I'm not that used to it, which is why my handwriting isn't as good on this machine as it is when I'm writing on paper. The reason being that the tablet is just a black sheet of plastic, and my writing then appears on the screen in front of me, so my eye can't see what the pen's doing directly. It takes a while for your brain to connect the different things going on. So that's a P. If you want to support the Latinum Institute, you can find us at latinum, latinum.org.uk. There's a link under the video, and you can visit us at Patreon, where there is lots of material for learning lots of different things. I hope you found this video useful, and now you can mind your P's and Q's because you've finally learned the letter P. Bye.